Hello and welcome to the morning bulletin. This is Amina and you're watching HW News English. Now it's time to dive into the top stories of the morning. China has shown support in Pakistan's demand for an independent investigation in the Pahalgam terror attack. Now this comes following Pakistan's call to Western nations, Russia and China to conduct an independent investigation. The Chinese Foreign Minister, in a phone call with Pakistan's Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister, supported the prompt initiation of an impartial investigation into the terrorist attacks on Indian soil. The United States has urged India and Pakistan to pursue a responsible resolution amid the rising tensions. Meanwhile, the US affirmed its support for India. The US State Department said it has been in contact with both governments at multiple levels. Senior Congress leader and MP Shashi Tharoor is receiving backlash from his own party. Now this is over his reply to Pakistan People's Party chairperson Bilawal Bhutto's threatening remark. Shashi Tharoor, in a reply to Bilawal Bhutto's statement, had said that if blood will flow, then it will flow more on Pakistan's side. After this statement of Shashi Tharoor, Congress leader Udit Raj questioned Tharoor's stance and asked if he was a BJP spokesperson. Pakistani troops violated the ceasefire along the LOC for the fourth night straight. During the night of 27 and 28 April, the Pakistani Army Post initiated unprovoked small arms fire across the line of control in Kupwara and Poonch districts. The Indian Army responded swiftly and effectively. Multiple Indian warships demonstrated their long-range precision strike capabilities during the drill in the Arabian Sea. They also released photos and videos of the warship firing missiles. Now this comes at a time when tensions between India and Pakistan have risen following the Pahalgam terror attack. India has banned Pakistani YouTube channels. They are banned in India for spreading false information and propaganda. There are a total of 16 YouTube channels blocked by the government. These channels were spreading provocative and communally sensitive content in the aftermath of the Pahalgam terror attack. The banned platforms include news outlets like Dawn, Sama TV, ARY News, Bol News, Raftar, Geo News and Suno News. This also includes Soeb Akhtar's channel. Well, that's all for the morning bulletin. Till then, keep watching HW News English.